Yo, hello everybody. Is that gonna be loud? A little bit. What's up? It's been a hot minute since we've, been in dev mode, but, we're getting back to it tonight. And unfortunately, this is gonna be the last, stream I'll do of game dev for quite a while. Mainly just because I'm gonna be on a stream break for a minute. But, I figured, let's do something fun. Yeah, so what I want to do is I want to make more bombs. And actually, I kind of want to rework the way remote bombs work, because basically I want the remote to be sort of a yes-no state for your bombs. And then, like, you can have different bombs and they can be remote or not based on whether you have the remote power up. So let's do that, shall we? I guess the first thing to do would be to figure out the remote logic. So... yeah. So we had our spawnable prefabs. These are for the power-ups that can remain the same. Yeah, so this remote bomb prefab, instead we're going to want to do... something a little different. This will have to do more with the actual bomb script itself. I think we'll have it... hold on, I gotta turn this down a little more. There we go. Oh, yeah. Or wait, no, find usages. This should be in the player, I think, or the player controller. Yep. Cool. Yeah, I think getting this out of the way first will be way better. So once we spawn it, then we call initialize. So I think this will actually be, basically we'll want to change initialize. Yeah, we'll make another parameter for this. And then we'll pass that along down into... into here. And then we'll do some logic in here. The bomb script itself will need a new parameter. I think basically just well, two parameters, I guess. I think we just need game objects. The first one will be the use mesh. The other one will be remote mesh. And that should do it for us, I think. Cool. Now, I've lost my place. Where's the initialize? Shoot. Ah, init params, here we go. If is remote fuse mesh dot set active false bomb or no remote mesh dot set active true else just flip that logic. I have an idea, but I don't think I fully want to do this right now. I think maybe I could break up the explosion, the triggering mechanism, like I guess the fuse type, into a generic sense that we'd pass in, or even just use this boolean to figure it out, but that doesn't scale well if we add more things, which is the only reason we'd want to have like inheritance for this. So I think we'll keep it simple for now, and then we could also tie the logic of like hiding and showing parts of the bomb based on that as well. I guess is what I'm getting at. Yeah, so we could maybe use I can't spell. Oh, you're gonna tell me I'm wrong, but not tell me how to... Damn it. Oh, it's a... Wait, no, it's not an A. What did I... It is an A, okay. Yeah. Very important that I get my comments spelled correctly. Cool. We're not gonna mess with that. But that's just possible to do in the future. And then... Is this class abstract? Yeah, it is. Okay. So we have two types of bombs underneath this, right? Timed bomb and remote bomb. Need to rename this. Shit. Okay, This sort of blows up our entire logic right now. Damn. Well, okay, yes and no, because explode... Oh, wait, explode is actually... Oh, I want different sound effects too. Okay, so I'm... Oof, I got a lot of things to figure out here. But yeah, we have start explosion. Wait a sec. Do I not hear other people's bombs right now? Let me check. Let me check if I can hear other players' bombs. I feel like... Oh, crap. Yes, I know. It's gonna be a player controller. Oh, Oh, it's also gonna blow up because I need to... Need to update the prefab. That's okay, we can do that real quick. Sort of really quick. Actually, you know what? We'll just leave this empty for now. Okay. So that should make that happy. Oh, I guess it'll be mad. Well, we're essentially gonna get rid of this prefab eventually, but I'm not gonna do that just yet. I just won't pick up a remote bomb and everything will be okay. Hopefully, unless I already broke things, which is possible, I guess. Oh yeah, shoot. Okay, so I need... Okay, okay, that's fine. This PC, I've got volume, sound effects turned on, or sorry, on this client. I will turn it off on the other one. That's probably why I didn't notice. Damn it. Create the room, go into settings, turn all volume down, find a room. Okay, so I lay my own bomb, I should hear it. Oh. Shit. We got some errors. Oh yeah, this has like no anything right now. That one's floating. Oh! I didn't pass the parameter in. Damn it. Go to initialize. That would certainly do it. So now my volume is set to 0 because I set 0 over there. Yo, what happened to this? Oh my gosh. Guess I should fix that. Turn this back up so we should be able to hear. So we'll hear on this machine. But if I'm right, I won't hear this player's bombs. Yep, they're muted, but if I place my own bomb, it should make the sound. I really don't know why I needed to test this. I already saw it was a problem. I could have just fixed it. Did I fall in a hole? What the heck? Anyway, that's a really easy fix, actually. So we're in bomb, init params. Oh no, I'm looking for the explosion method. Yeah, so instead of this play one shot, down here, just play the sound effect. Simple as that. So this all still works because we'll still have an explosion mesh. Oh, but you know what? We'll like need to override. My plan is to eventually have like the explosions look different, not just in like what texture I'm using for them, but also just like full on in the way they explode as well. Trying to think of like where so I guess. Well, no, okay, that is actually. No, how does this handle that? What? Explosion mesh set active. Exploding is true. Is that just in here somewhere? Exploding return. If exploding return. Handle bomb carry. Exploding stop throw. Okay. Handle explosion. Oh, yeah. If not, okay, yes, there we go. That's in the update method, I think. Multiplayer bugs sound fun? Yeah. Or multiplayer sound bugs sound fun. Especially when testing locally. Didn't even know it was a problem until just now. Anyway, how's it going, Torpid? Yeah, so this is gonna go out in a consistent thing, but I can make this protected and virtual, and then we can override it. So I think that'll be okay. And then our different bombs can like implement them differently. I'm approaching the point where like this doesn't need to be an abstract class anymore. This could just be the base bomb, and then like my other bomb types will be whatever they are. Right, so now what we need to do, steal this. I don't know if this will work, but I'm gonna try. Take this from here, paste it as a child. Hey, look at that, amazing. Okay, so now we basically just don't even need this thing anymore, I'm pretty sure. And in our code, I need to go back to the player controller, and our bomb object that we spawn, well, this will become another, like, decision thing that we need to do, but... Oh, wait, no. No more remote bomb. We'll get to that in a second. Yeah, so... Shouldn't even reference this, because I'm about to delete it. In fact, let's just delete it. Oh, but then I need to get... Okay, so here's the tricky part. You copied the name. Or you're trying to impersonate him, I'm not sure. Anyway, what's up, D314? Okay. Not sure what I was going for there. Fair enough. I think if I rename the script, I'm pretty sure it will update itself. And this will be safe, but I gotta do it through Unity. We'll just call this a normal bomb. Is it a Ninja Star bomb? That's that's for our particle effect on the fuse. That's the logo it uses for when there's a particle on something. But we could add that too. Alright, I've renamed this to normal bomb. I don't want to delete the remote bomb script yet, but we are going to delete it eventually. Oh crap. Oh wait, there we go. What do you mean you're missing script? What? Oh, I know why. It's because I just renamed the file and not the class. I don't think there's any winning with this, but it did update the reference to it, so that's probably good, because I think we could just do that, and then everything will be okay. Yeah, and we didn't lose the parameters or anything like that. Awesome. That's how I give feedback. Corporate's about to hit us with the, "Hey, it's me, your one viewer. I've tricked you this whole time by making you think that we were actually building a community, but it's all just been me on alternate accounts. I will now paste this same message so that Or to prove it, or whatever. The classic. Been D314 the whole time? Oh my god. Okay, so normal bomb. So this script runs on every... I feel like the update shouldn't be running on anyone who's not the person that owns the bomb. I think that makes more sense to do things that way. Literally me. Okay, so now we need something else. We need a protected pool. That line may actually cause some chaos when it comes to picking the bombs up, because I think we change ownership when you're holding the bomb. So whoever picks it up. So maybe... Oh, God. Netcode, man. Alright, maybe we won't leave that is mine in there. We can just let it roll. But regardless. Oh, shoot. Init params, that's what I was looking for. This does get sent to everybody, including the person that's spawning the bomb. I don't think we need everyone to have this value synced. It probably doesn't matter, but it is fine. So, I think in this case, yeah, we're gonna move these up to the bomb. And then... balls. Oop. Put that logic there. Then Copy this over. Yeah, so this is where things get stupid, because it's like, okay, well, this is gonna be just blank, but I guess we want the different implementations because I'm gonna need to override the explosion logic for some of them. Hey, you found it. Here's a better question. Why even handle that there? Okay. So in theory, basically what we've just done is I can now... Oh, classic almost goes me orc, me spam. In theory, we should now be able to use remote bombs. Something's wrong. What did I do? Oh god. We don't need this anymore. Does this have like an abstract method that's not... No, it doesn't. Okay, what is it mad about? Same field name is serialized multiple times as class or parent class. Oh! I did not notice that. Okay, but here's the thing, it's not, though. That's actually not. Oh, you know what? That's... Oh, god. Hold on. Clear the console. This actually won't run, though. Or run correctly. It's weird. We need to use this as remote controlled. Oh, wait. Yeah, ignore the timer if this is remote controlled or if it's exploding. Shoot. But now we need to make the trigger for... Okay. Nice script. Oh, maybe we don't actually. I think... How does detonate work? On detonate. Oh, shoot. We're gonna need to do this instead. Okay, so now we need an is remote. No. Okay, now I should be able to... Yeah, that works. In theory, everything should just work. My sound's still turned off, isn't it? Oh, no, it's not. It should be back now. Not that that really matters for anything, but... Okay. Now we've got remote bombs. Nice, they look correct. They're not exploding. That's good. Now they are exploding. Chain explosions are working. Power-ups are working. Alright, good stuff. One thing I didn't check is, just make sure I can't detonate bombs when I don't have remote bombs. Hold on, I gotta write down a couple bugs. Yeah. Alright. Nice, so that all works. I'm gonna commit that. That was step one. Oh wait, let's get rid of, so we can delete this, and we can delete the script as well. Scripts, bombs, there we go. Remote bomb. What is in the explosion script anyhow? Okay, so that's just tracking who laid the bomb. But we also use it, I know, oh yeah, so in a lot of contexts. Here's where I want to, like, set some other things here. What's up? How's it going? We are attempting to add new types of bombs to the game. So we just kind of got to rewriting a lot of logic for remote bombs versus non-remote bombs, which will simplify things a little bit. And oh, I need to commit that. And now we're actually going to add a new bomb. Sounds cool. Cool. Push that code. Yeah, so what I'm doing with this is I want to make it so bombs can behave differently based on, or their explosions can behave differently based on like whichever type of explosion we have. We didn't really make the explosion class with inheritance in mind, but that definitely needs to be a part of this. Oh, you know what? Actually, even better. Yeah, so when the player gets hit, we have to check just to make sure that they're actually getting hit. Or, well... yeah, no, that's fine, I guess. But I'm saying, like, the effects I want these bombs to have, like, they're gonna vary a lot, so I shouldn't just have, like, 10 million, like, methods to check with. I think, this is where the networking gets complicated, though, because, like, I could, like, pass the reference of the player back into it when this happens, and then have it, like, handle it, but I think there's problems there where, like, can't have a bomb handle a player's, like, collision if the player is not, like, if they didn't own that explosion. Or maybe I can, I don't know. Okay. Well, I'll think about that some more as we get more into this. I'm actually not sure. Yeah, the weird thing is, like... Sorry, I'm, like, lost in thought here. So the first bomb I want to build, or, like, the next, like, type of bomb I want to build is an ice bomb. And, like... that might already make a good candidate for this, where it's just, like... maybe I just call a method on the explosion... and then pass a reference to ourself in? Yeah, that's probably good, I guess. Okay. Oh, shoot. um... Oh, yeah, no, never mind. I already have this covered. So, we'll move this here. Well, I think this part of the soundtrack just plays like all the different result sounds you can hear. Oh no, never mind. We're good. And now this logic of like cooldown and stuff should be moved over to the damage call. Use your photon ID and pass those through to get your player logic through. Unity netcode uses it. Each player. Not saying it's the best, but it works directly. Yeah, no, sorry, I am trying to like structure this in the way that's cleanest. So yeah, I can at a minimum I can use an RPC call to get it out to whoever does own the object. But thinking this through, we're already in that player's like. I think the client. Oh wait, no, I'm letting. Oh right, I set it up so that okay. The explosion collision will get handled by all clients, but only the host of the server actually like handles this, so that's what's going on. And I think they can edit any or like mess with anything because of the host. I might be wrong about that too. I'm not sure, but. Okay, so what we want to do now, instead of all this, and then we don't need this damages player method. So now we can build the message up. And then, oh, now we're stuck in the, love that photon target RPC call, that's nice. Yeah, it's pretty spiffy. Yeah, next song. There we go. So instead of this, we want to, oh yeah, just call target player.get photon DOID. I think this is a public method. There we go, yeah. Oh yeah, it is because we use it right down here. And then target player.damage. Oh yeah, also that'll handle the kill count. Oh. We gotta change this a little bit. Just because I want the player to manage like whether or not they died here. Again, if they have health or something like that. Right now that's not implemented, but I want to get that in there eventually. I guess it is weird that like I'm already building the death message for them, just assuming they died, but it's still okay. It'll work. think I need that debug anymore either. And actually, that's gonna happen sometimes, because eventually I'm gonna get a sudden death implemented that has just bombs raining down on people, and those won't belong to any particular player. Cool, and this actually can be private now, because we're not, calling that from an external source. Neat. Alright, cool. Nice, and we can override this and have it do different stuff based on what type of explosion we have. Perfect. Alright. So we're getting to the point where, like, I don't really need different types of, or like an inheritance structure under the bombs, but the explosions will be a lot more important. And I guess that's okay. Because, like, I mean, the prefabs will have, like, different looks to them and everything, but, that's whatever. Alright, speaking of different looks to the bombs, let's go ahead and... I've already kind of done this. I've reused this. Reused this texture time and time again. You know what? Let's, No, I'm gonna cheat and reuse it anyway. Wait, nope. Oh man, I need, yeah, unlit color. No. Unlit texture... something? Crap, what do I do here? Oh, just a standard shader, gotcha. Or... there we go. Perfect. Need this look brighter. Probably not gonna happen, actually, without cheating. You know, this would be a lot faster if I just, like, go find a proper texture. Oh wait, what if I do this? Nope, not really. Oh, Jesus. Hold on a second, chat. There's a thing happening over here. Oh, okay. Well. That was fun. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Hopefully not, as I think that was some licensed music that was coming out of my girlfriend's phone that's down here for some reason. Yeah, let's find another texture, fuck it. My public domain playground. That might be good. Oh, that's perfect, actually. Alright. Please tell me I don't need to, like, make an account or something. I don't. Awesome. Does this have... Alright. I'm gonna take the 1K version of it. Low res, baby. You know what, we'll take the, oh wait, actually, hold on. Give me the PNG. Didn't necessarily want that to pop over there, but whatever, it's fine. Oh, I think the music was playing again. Where did my folder go? There it is. Do I have a textures folder or no? I do, okay, cool. I think I just need this. And then go into not prefabs, I need resources. Duplicate this bad boy. Bomb ice. And then we're just going to change your material to a different thing. This guy... Nope, nope, nope. Change that. There we go. What am I doing? Alright, whatever, man. Snow. There it is. Take the color out of that. I'm gonna go with unlit texture actually for this. It's not really noticeable, but if I change the tiling. No. Crap. Did I not do it right? I might not have done this right. Oh, I need to apply the normal map, duh. There's like a lot of stuff I can do to it. Okay, cool. Much better. I'll leave it at that. I can put in, I mean, it does have... Wait, why can't I do that? Oh, yeah, fix that, please. Thank you. Oh, duh, it's not in the editor. It's like, why can't I use the inclusion? Here's the color. Damn it. Really wish that hadn't happened. I need to lock the thing. The window. Or panel, whatever the hell. So this is the occlusion. Get that softer look there. Not sure where these other ones go, but I mean, that's looking pretty good. Oh, it's more detailed than I honestly need. It's gonna make my other bomb look like shit. Actually, you know... let's just not think for this one. Make it frosty blue. Okay. I am on the wrong bomb resource, so we need to change that. Edit this guy. Take the mesh. Wait. Oh, body is what I'm looking for. Materials, ice. Yeah. Eh. There we go. Bada bing. It took way too long, but whatever. We can even change the fuse if we want, but leave it as is for now. Yeah, so honestly, script-wise, I think even having the same, like, normal bomb script or whatever will be fine. It's just the explosion's gonna need to be different. Well, I guess that's where the different bomb inheritance will come into play, is when I need the explosions to be different, like have the way the explosion comes out different. That's when I'll need to extend the bomb. That's really fucking counterintuitive, though. But that actually simplifies things immensely in terms of, like, what needs to call what to make the explosion happen. So I think I will just leave it that way. Makes sense? Yeah. Alright, mesh, hide. Need to work on this one now. How does this look? Really shouldn't, but I might. Just do that for now. Okay, and then instead of this explosion... Jesus Christ, alright, I need to go... one sec. Alright, I have myself muted. Let's got here. Hello, Raina. Yeah, sorry. Possum's phone kept going off, so I assumed it was something important. I went and brought it to her. And I just took a break because it's been like an hour or whatever. Figured why not. Cool. Yeah. Indeed. Haha. Look at that. User messed up emote code. Never recover from this. Alright, nice explosion. Deserve a break? Thanks. Take it back, you don't. Damn. Why does this one not have a check mark? Oh, is it because it's referenced? Oh, crap. No. What? Why? What? Is there something here that references that? Nope. Weird. Oh, maybe there's a different script on this thing. No? Okay. I don't know. Removed. Pumpkin spice season, are you excited for anything? My favorite thing in, like, fall is there's a brewery that has a specific beer that I'm quite fond of. But I've already had it a couple times. It's called Pumpkin. It's by, wait, Southern Tier make that? I think Southern Tier Brewery makes that. I know that you guys don't have that in your area, but just a really, really high quality beer. Although unfortunately it only comes in 4-packs, so they're like almost 20 bucks each, so, or like for the 4-pack. It's definitely on the pricier side of beer. Fucking love seasonal bevies. Yeah, I think this brewery is actually going out of business. Not Southern Tier, but there's a more local brewery. I can't remember the name of for some reason right now. Oh no, they're not going out of business, but they're gonna stick to only brewing like a couple of their core IPAs and like nothing else. I'm blanking on the name right now, but they have this one yam-based beer around this time of year called Yammy Yammy, and that is hella good. And I'm gonna be really sad if they don't do it anymore. Don't remember what the hell the brewery's name is. Damn it. Yeah, it's just a local Cleveland brewery. I think Southern Tier is like in New York somewhere, but like not like upstate New York-ish area. Okay, anyway. Protected, override. Something's fucked up here. Oh, right, it's not protected. Cool. Sounds tasty. It is mighty tasty. I do say so myself. Is it like an ale? Yeah, it's kind of like a Kolsch, if I had to say, like, what it tastes like specifically. Though, it's also, I haven't had it in a year, and on top of that, they also have, like, variants of it. Like, they have one that has, like, caramel infused with it, which is pretty good. And they had, like, a donut-flavored one year that I had. It's a weird taste. Yeah, it wasn't bad, but it's definitely novelty. Okay, so my plan is with these ice bombs, they just freeze the player and don't do anything. Also, this would be a good time to check this. Thank you, autocomplete. So we'll make it so the ice bombs do not destroy blocks, but they will still cause a chain explosion, so an ice bomb will set off another ice bomb, or even a regular bomb. I had a blueberry muffin sour here, and it was weird because it tasted like liquid blueberry muffin from Aldi. Doesn't sound like a bad deal necessarily. Never had a blueberry muffin from Aldi's. Oh, I'm not checking these, I need to do that. So, bomb mesh. Yeah. Explosion's not null, and explosion causes chain explosions. Then do that. All these nuts. Damn, you got me. And then I think it's under Destructible is the other one. Yeah, Destructibles. So it's not null and destroys blocks, which by default will be true. But in my override, it will be false. You should. They're great. That's cool. I do like me some Aldi stuff. I miss it. Yeah, that's a bummer. That's right. That's Can I not spell at all? What is the... Oh. Oh, you're supposed to pluralize it, that's right. Duh. No, you can't. European and East Coast thing. That's like... that actually makes sense. I say, I know it's like a German company, right? I think. Okay, now we need to implement player freeze. Yar. There we go. Ooh, it'd be cool to have this as like a Nova that just goes outwards. Maybe we'll do that. Like maybe it'll have like a wider range by default, but you can hop over it. Let's get the freeze logic set up first, I guess. So the player controller. Hate to tack another Boolean onto this, but I think that's the way to go here. What's a bool? It's it's something that's either true or false. So like a float is just a number that has decimal precision. An int is an integer, so it's a whole number. And these are all variables, so it means they can change over the course of the program. Then you have more complex things like rigid body or photon view that are specific to, well, rigid body is specific to Unity, photon view is specific to this photon library I'm using. Vector 3 is like 3 sets of floats typically used for storing like coordinates or scaling info or rotational info. I guess rotational info you use a different values, but whatever. Hmm. How does this work anyway? The next bomb I want to make is like a stun bomb that'll like basically just make the player go into ragdoll. And that one I definitely should have like a different type of explosion that's easier to hit players with. To make it a little more viable. Other than just like, hey, you have to use the same same skill you'd need to like actually hurt them, but now it doesn't even kill them, so good job. Oh, this is all messed up. So this code's gonna like... Oh, man. Well, I can worry about that later. This is gonna act so inconsistently across all of the clients, because this will work like separate, like whatever that machine thought happened to the player is what's gonna happen to them. Hmm. Get out of this thing's way, I guess. Oop, oop. Oh, you know what, actually? I don't know why I'm using ragdoll duration as a time span. Just make it a number. Seems fine. I'm gonna make an unfreeze method because we may actually want to call unfreeze elsewhere. Also, this should not be a public method. That is part of our update loop and not something someone else needs to call. Unfreeze, however, there may be other situations where we need to call that. Oh, right, one more thing. Um... We want to send this out to all, so I need to RPC this. Oh, yeah, just that. More players, and then give it the base freeze duration. That way it's already parameterized if we need it later. We will also make this upon our PC. No. Oh, I gotta tell it. Go to all players once again. Cool. Two more things left to do. We need to have it not allow the player to do anything if they are frozen. Big surprise, I know. This is bugging me. I'm gonna just change this as well. There's no reason this can't be this way. And you know, while we're at it, let's just move this to a method called update ragdoll. Oops, if you're not in ragdoll, ignore this. Update ragdoll timer just to make it more explicit, and then it'll call end ragdoll if we're at 0. Oh yeah, in fact, I think because of the fact that update loop doesn't... Wait. Oh no, the update loop does get called for everybody. Oh, okay. Well, up until here, the update loop gets called for everybody. This should probably happen, I don't know, differently. Don't know exactly how, but, yeah, I know we're way past this, but just to clarify, yeah. Bool is short for Boolean. In fact, some other programming languages type out Boolean. Oh, shoot. That's so much cleaner. Okay, so it's mad about this. We need to create frozen mesh. This will just be something we turn on around the player to give them look like they're in an ice cube or whatever. To make it look like they're an ice cube. Oh, gotcha, yeah. So yeah, I'm sure there's probably something you touch that at least mentions it. Okay, so there's our ice bomb. Now we need to go to the player. And we need to make them an ice cube. Actually, 1 second here. It's a pretty decent website, but it doesn't have a way to like search. I'm just like scrolling through a billion textures. I also don't see any confirmation on the page that these aren't actually like licensed or something. Oh, never mind, I found the search bar. This is way too fancy for me. Meh. Let me go back to this. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Please and thank you. God, the Pizza Tower soundtrack goes so hard. I feel like I probably played this last dev stream, but it's been so long that I forgot. You know what? I'll let it fix it for me, whatever. Material. New material. Ice, or frozen block. Whoa. Oh, there we go. I was like, that ain't right. And then make it transparent. Let me fuck with the alpha. That's good. Maybe not. Yeah, no, we'll freeze them like that. That's fine. Hopefully. Let's see how it looks, all in all. Wait. Better idea. God damn it. Okay. Probably a bit big. It's also not tall enough. Here we go. Or is it tall enough and it just needs to be moved up? Nope, not tall enough. Well, okay, both actually, unfortunately. is half of what I... yeah. You should be shrunk down to 1.75, hell, maybe even 1.5. I don't know. Grab my material. Good enough. As long as the bottom aligns with the bottom of the character, that's all that really matters there. Okay, cool. Although it's like the exact size with the hand, so it's gonna do that. I guess bump it just a little bit more. Wait, no. No, not the Y. There we go. The thing that annoys me about that, though, is it's not gonna... oh, well, actually, it will have a collider. That's worse? Maybe? We'll remove it. Cool. And then we add the frozen mesh to here. Okay, now all we need to do is let the player spawn ice bombs somehow. I'm gonna do that the quick and dirty way. Then we'll add a button to let that happen. But by default, you're just gonna spawn ice bombs now. Oh, I need to update my constants as well, because now we have an ice bomb. Take me to where I use this, please. So now we cheat, and instead of basic bomb, just say ice bomb. Now the player should be always spawning ice bombs, and if I get hit by an ice bomb, it shouldn't kill me, it should just freeze me for a little while. And even cooler than that... get what I did there? Oh yeah, so it also shouldn't blow up blocks. Oh crap, I can't test whether the remote function works or not, because I won't be able to open the wall. I guess we'll test that once I get the other stuff put together. Something has gone awry here. Well, that mostly worked. There's a couple things. One, I am, I guess gravity still exists, and the momentum of what I'm doing still exists. Or my movement, I mean. That's not great. The bigger issue, though, obviously, is the thing didn't go away. Not sure why. Oh, you know what? I know why. I copy-pasted. Yep. Yep. Simple as pie. I guess I'm okay with gravity still affecting you. Maybe I should set the, like, forward momentum to, like, 0, though. Like, because all your, like, otherwise movement will... Oh, it's even worse than that. Okay, so as long as you were moving... Okay. No, actually, okay, I like the idea of... like, you fly forward a little bit with whatever momentum you had. But you shouldn't be able to keep moving, obviously, that's a big issue. So let's fix that, and then otherwise I think this is good to go. Should test it on multiple players, definitely. but I don't see why it wouldn't work on multiplayer. Maybe the visuals will get fucked up, but aside from that... Oh, don't I have a method for this already? Yeah, stop player movement. Fuck yeah. I don't know if I should be calling that when you're not the current player, but maybe that's okay. So the cool thing with the stun grenades is we already have the start ragdoll, so that part will be easy, but maybe that'll be our chance to implement a different type of explosion pattern, and maybe that'll be the shockwave. That might work actually pretty well. It'll go fast or something like that. So that should fix the other issue, I think. So I'm pretty sure that's the exact reason why I made that method. It's because like I had something where if you were holding the button, you could just cheese it. Fucking hell, that fuse took forever. Yep, there we go. Okay, good. I can't pick stuff up either. Oh, I'm getting stun locked. Oh yeah, can I pick these up normally? Oh, okay. Well, hold on. I didn't actually do a good test there because. Oh no, I totally can still pick stuff up. I'm pretty sure. If it was close enough to me. What happens if it's in my hands? Oh, it'll go off a second time? Nice. Oh, that actually breaks stuff. I can't... Oh. Weird. I don't know. Damn it. Got some warnings there. Yeah, I like can't place bombs right now. Not sure why that is. Whoa. Is that? Yeah, I can't pick stuff up anymore. So this is super weird. I have to like press grab. Well, that's definitely not good. Hold on a second here. Ooh. Let me see if I can trace down what's going on with these warnings. That might be related. Oh, you know what it was? It was because the bomb exploded in my hand. Yeah. Bomb... Held bomb exploding, breaks, laying bombs, and pickup. Tony Swan. That's my callback to my ancient not my ancient, an ancient Half-Life 2 mod I used to play called Zombie Master. It was the default name for your character in that game. Okay, so that's the bug. That's most certainly not a new bug, but previously you'd just be dead because we just had bombs that kill you. I want to test multiplayer real quick and see if that works correctly or not. And then I will create a mechanism for you to switch back and forth between bomb types. In my head, rather than that be a thing you have to, like, find a power-up for, I think it's better if I have it so that, like, Nice, alright. Can I freeze other players? Oh, try to move, try to move. Yep. The only other thing is, like, when you unfreeze, it doesn't... Since I'm stopping the player movement, like, doesn't correctly, count for that. So, like, I'm holding forward right now, but it's not until I let go and press it again does it fix it. Cool, looks like that worked. It's at the top of my bug list to handle, well, I guess it's not anymore, but to handle all the errors that happen when the host leaves the level. Because it actually despawns like a ton of stuff. Any power-ups that have been spawned and not yet claimed go away. The ones that are there can't be picked up. It's a mess. Which is weird because I set logic to transfer the owner of all the objects to a different player when the host disconnects, but it just must not be doing that gracefully or something, I don't know. What is this F mod warning? Get out of here. Get out of here. I think that's a false positive because the camera gets created dynamically so that we don't have like 6 cameras when you spawn into a match. So it only spawns a camera on what your local client version is, and it has a listener on it, but it probably, because it's getting built dynamically, doesn't think that. Or that's talking about the menu, I'm not sure which. Probably not the menu though, because it's got debug messages about joining. So yeah. Anyway. Switching bombs. Switching bombs. Whew. Okay, so I think... I don't know if I need an enum for this or not, but I'm gonna make one. Banam. I don't know what else I want to make yet, so we'll just stick to these 3 bombs. Maybe that's all we... it's only 10. Might have time for maybe a 4th bomb or something else, I don't know. Oh, yeah. Mechanism for switching bombs. Back to the code. So really all I gotta do here is... And this is definitely janky, but I'm gonna do it. Whatever. So we're gonna make a lookup based on the bomb type. Give me the prefab. I could make this the way I did for all the other like level creation logic, but this is only applicable inside the player class, so I think it makes sense to just have it be just like a static list in here. Sure, rename it, whatever, man. What is that so mad about? It's not... Oh yeah, just because of that. Oh, oh man. What the heck is absolute max firepower used for? Oh, okay. That's... Yeah, you can only get up to like level 5 bombs or whatever. Thank you, autocomplete window, you're really helpful right now. I'm getting a little ahead of myself by creating an entry for that already, but that's fine-ish. Just a little safety null check there. And then instead of calling the prefab name, we will just take this and we'll have our lookup, so we don't need to mess with any of that stuff. That'll handle it for as many types of bombs I want to make. Now I just need to give you a mechanism to switch your current bomb type. I think I'm just going to use like the arrow keys and then the D-pad on the controller. We could we could have it cycle too, I guess, but yeah, let's start with that. But I think like the ideal thing is use like, you know, D-pad up for set it to this, D-pad down to set it to this. I guess it only works if we only have like 4, but a weapon wheel would probably be better, I guess, in the long term. We'll just do it with basic cycle for now. So we need to add that to our controls mapping. It's not the right window. Okay, so the default stuff, we want to add new action. Next, bomb type. Oh. Oh. Hello? Oh. Hmm. Oh, right, it's right trigger or right shoulder. I'll go with right shoulder. Damn it, I just wanted to move them around. Oh, that is how you do it. Save the asset. Rebuild all that good stuff. And then we need 2 more input actions. Why am I like this? I keep changing it to like... Okay. Oops. And then likewise disable all these down here. And go update all of this. Cool. Let me leave a note for myself to address that later. Oh, one other thing I gotta do. Okay. So we don't need to like do this calculation a million times. I'm gonna get how many types of bombs we have set up. Yeah, that's good. And then... basically the same thing over here. Except we're going to do +1. And if it's greater than or equal to bomb type count, new value equals 0. Whoa. And there you go. Now that should work. Let's see if it does. So by default I should be laying normal bombs again. Cool. Press next bomb. There's an ice bomb. They set each other up. That still freezes me. Those bombs still kill me. Nice. Cool. Yeah. There you have it. You can switch bomb types now. And just to double check, make sure it works on online. I mean, there's no real offline to this game, but it's all the same. Cool. Shit. Oh, and controller. Didn't test that yet. What the hell's the bomb button on this thing? Oh, null reference exception. Oh, you know what it is. Yeah, I tried to create a stun bomb. The funny thing about that is I'm now like one bomb down permanently. Oh wait, no, okay, it didn't count it. Oh, but it like fucked up. No, wait, maybe that's just... it was floating there? Yeah, no, that was just floating there. Oh, right. Happened again. Like maybe I should have the logic wait a little bit. So it's not like the down to the millisecond who was the last person alive. That should be simple enough to do. And leave myself a note for it. Okay, so now we need to make our stun bomb. It's a good material for that. Oh. Nice. Okay, I found the license info for that website, so it's 100... Everything on this website is 100% CC0, so I don't need to worry about nothing. Maybe something rubbery looking. Oh, there's a nice sand texture too right here. I want to make sure that they are very visually different, although I guess these aren't necessarily finalized assets, so it's kind of whatever. Here we go. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this to be any color though, because it's like a black texture, but what about this? Is this the same? This is essentially the same thing as white. Alright, good. Oh right, that's what I used for the frozen thing. I'm like, why isn't that in the bombs folder? It's not bomb related. Alright, so the color, the normal... Let's take those two. Alrighty. Make a material out of that. I don't know what color to use for this. What color conveys non-lethal? I think like yellow for like a taser, but like it's not really what I'm going for. It's more of a concussive blast. And then if we make an electrical bomb, I might get weird. But maybe we just go with yellow for now. I'm not sure I like that. Wait, I want to go down, right? Actually, now I'm not sure. Forget this. Which one makes it bigger? Yeah, I am going the right way. I make it like pinkish. It's like a volleyball. I don't know. Well, red's definitely like this is dangerous and bad, and that's not what I want it to look like. But bright pink maybe is the way to go, or maybe even orange. I don't know. The iconography of this is confusing at best. regardless of what I pick here. And how smooth I want this to be. Probably not very smooth. Oh, if I up the normal map, that'll also, like, increase the, intensity of it, right? Make it nice and ripply. It's like a walnut now. I don't fucking know, man. Bombs. Nope, that's not the resource folder. Okay. We open this guy up. Change your body mesh. Is there not a way to just change material? Oh. That. Oh, God. Shut up, chat. What? Oh, I disabled the whole thing, so the bomb. Oh, I meant to make that transparent, and also, there we go. I'm gonna cheat a bit here. Never mind, no I'm not. Damn it, dude. Just trying to find something I could steal for like a normal map that would give it some like some amount of texture. But I'm not really seeing much of anything that would work well. Maybe this. Yeah, we're gonna go with this. Some random rocks. Oh, I didn't hold it long enough, I think. Yeah. Alright, it's got some ripple to it now. Pretty cool. So now I want to make a different type of explosion for this. Oh, shoot. You know what? Actually, hold on. Screwed up. I meant to commit this code immediately. Commit. Push. There we go. Yeah, so we want to make a different type of explosion for this. And actually, I guess that even starts down here, right? So, like, I don't even really want a sphere, per se. I would like... Ooh, right. That's not, like, a default shape that I can just use. Crap. I need a mesh for this. Is that part of the... That is part of the soundtrack, okay. Use the hell out of me. Wait a second here. I'm a little confused right now because it seems as though... I don't know, both documents and all the forums seem to be talking as though Taurus is a thing I can just spawn in. Oh, I had to edit the mesh. Okay, hold on, I think I know what to do. So, wait, no. Not quite right. First of all, okay, no. Just wanted to make sure it wasn't something weird like that. Mesh. Yes, these are the default ones. That makes sense. I'm not sure if I have Blender on this machine. I do. I think you can make a Taurus in like one button press, can't you? We're going into Blender, chat. Hold on to your britches. Yeah, that's probably okay. It has been so long since I've done this. Please bear with. Does anyone know how I can like make a Taurus really easy? Actually, hell, I could just go look at a... I'm sure the donut tutorial would tell me that, because I'm sure that's the first thing you do in it. Blender, add Taurus. The tool shelf. God, I forgot how, like, when you don't know the shortcuts for everything, this is just impossible to use. Also, you guys probably can't see a goddamn thing on my screen, I'm sorry. I don't know how to increase the UI size in this application. Don't worry, we're gonna get through this together. I'll be in and out of here in a second. I don't want to add cube, I want to add something. Add? Add. Yeah, okay, we're almost there. Taurus. Boom. Alright, thank you. I want a... God, what do I say this as? Oh, no, I want to... Oh, do I render it? No, 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 no. No. I mean, FBX would work. I feel like that's overkill? Maybe not, I don't know. Cool, thanks, dude. Alright, we got our FBX file. Let's go ahead and make a meshes folder. Grab our torus we just made. Click and drag that bad boy in here. Blow up everything, maybe? Fuck just happened, man? Okay, that was weird. Then we place that in here. It's a little big. But not horribly so. Like, if I bring the bomb mesh back in, right? We just need to bring them down to the explosion size. Oh, why did it like double scaled it for some reason? Okay. Honestly, even like half that's probably okay. Yeah, that's a good starting point. Alright, cool. Okay, so when we scale this outward, we should scale everything except Y. Also, this is not a nice explosion. We're gonna need a couple scripts here. So first script. This actually needs to be reworked, damn it. Let's get rid of you altogether, but leave that there. I think everything else in this is just not needed. Oh, it has a rigid body. Yeah, you know what? Copy component. Paste component as new. There is some reason that's on there. I am not sure why, but I'm not going to mess with it. Oh, I guess also the scale was already at this. Paste that down, and now we have a really tiny little baby explosion. We bring that back up to 0.5, and we're back to business. Oh, fuck, this has a light source on it. Damn it. Oh, yeah, I'm the idiot here. Yeah, okay, fine. Just unpack this. This is fucking nonsense. Get this camera out of here, get this light out of here. I fucked up. I should have, because you can just delete these. I didn't need them in here. I forgot. Got all of it. Hey, Tony Swan wins! Hey, yo, Tone. Alright, anything else on this that I need to retain? Nope. Get rid of it. Cool. Oh, you need my material, though. Awesome. Though actually, see-through Taurus is kind of a bad idea, because you're gonna see the weird rendering it does. Oh no, okay, it handles that. Never mind, I stand corrected. Oh yeah, I need different sound effects for the different bombs. Alright, we got our explosion here. No, we're not done with it. We need to add the different script. Yeah, so bombs. Stun, explosion. Public. Override. Hit player. Crud, I kind of need the collision info. Shoot. What is going on with my editor tonight? It just doesn't want to fucking help me with anything. Thanks, dude. Yeah, I think I need to change hit player so that it passes in, like, the collision info, as well as the player controller info. It's okay. You can do that. Give me 1 sec though, chat. I'm gonna go take a quick break, re-up on my water, make sure you guys aren't about to run out of music. Oh, we're not even close. Long soundtrack. So number 1. Oh, also, let's go ahead and override both of these, and chain explosion will be false, and destroys blocks. Definitely want that to be false, because I want this to kind of go pretty far. Oop. So we'll use Collider. Okay, so we take the collision and we do, actually, wait, hold on. Damn. Oh, that's what I had wrong. So push direction. Oh, okay, this I'm cheating and I'm just taking the current velocity of the thing. I need to figure out like what angle I hit them at with the explosion here. That's definitely in here, though. Bounds, contact, offset. Maybe I should just, like... Closest point? No, that's just a... Raycast. No, wait. I'm gonna Google this. Unity, Collider. Maybe it is Raycast? Oh, no, that's checking a ray. Unity, Collider, get direction. Get collision direction, there we go. We got 2 posts. Post from 8 years ago that has no fucking context of what they're doing. Somehow they got the right answer though out of somebody. Here's one from 2015, awesome. Contacts. A contact point has a point class. Okay, this might be old Hmm. Hmm. Something's not right here. That is not a property that's available. I guess really, well, closest point is helpful, but like, so I've lost track of which thing I'm looking at here, right? So not start ragdoll. I want to look at. Yeah, okay, so handle explosion collision. If you're an explosion, hit the player. This collider is... shoot. Okay, so that's the other thing's position. Gotcha. So basically what we want to take is we take closest point on the collision, and which way do we subtract this? We want to get the direction moving in towards us, which is the player controller. So we just take the center, I guess. And we would subtract... Fuck. Yo, thank you for the follow. Kurvakti? My bad. Lost in thought and trying to do basic 3D geometry. Anyway, how you doing? Welcome on in. Okay, so we have our collision, so closest point should do it for me. I just need to take that. Well, I guess we'll know pretty quickly if it goes the wrong way. Not bad, nice. I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. Oh, and we also don't want this to happen a lot. Oh man, okay. Generally speaking, I want that ragdoll function to be able to happen multiple times, but... I guess... This is tricky. Maybe I want it to like only happen once per explosion per player, so I could keep a list of like which players got hit by it. That might work. Can I see your game if you're done with the coding? Absolutely, yeah. One sec. Actually, we just do this. Something's wrong here. These are two vector 3s. What's going on? Oh, closest point is a method. Oh, okay. Oh. I guess the closest point would be what we're looking for, but I guess I could probably just take... Well, that's not necessarily true. Yeah, I guess that probably works. That's sketchy, though. Either way. Yeah. Here's what we're working with. Not this. This is just a mesh I was messing around with. But yeah, we got just like a really basic UI here at the moment, but simple stuff. It's just a party game that's, you know, got online play. Basically started doing this to sort of teach myself netcode stuff. You know, basic settings and whatnot. And, oh, I should have... It's gonna cancel everything out. Oh, actually, I think it's still running. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, gotta restart it. But if I open up a second copy here, I can get this running with multiple players. And yeah, just sort of a Bomberman clone. Tonight I've been working on like the ability to switch what type of bomb you use, so like that's just the default normal bomb. And we got this freeze bomb that doesn't kill players, but it freezes them in place for a couple seconds. They get hit by it. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing. Looks fun, actually. Thanks. I'm hoping so. It's also got a level editor in it, which need to add more stuff to right now. But right now I'm working on making more bombs. So we got that ice bomb, and now I'm working on a bomb that will like stun players and make them go into ragdoll. Very funny when playing with close friends. Exactly. That's sort of the vibe I was going for. You know, sort of like those old retro like N64, PS1 era party games. Couch co-op, but with netcode. I'm not sure if I'm subtracting this the right way, but I guess I'll know pretty quickly if I got it wrong. And on top of that, I just need to, oh man. Oh, I didn't add the script to my prefab. I need to do that. Yeah. I think we want it in this direction because that will be like from this vector to that vector. No, wait, it's the other way around. No, wait, never mind. I got it right the first time. Alright, that's good. I am missing something and I'm not sure what. Oh yeah, preventing it from hitting the same player multiple times. I guess we have the target player, so we can do get their photon view ID. And then we can just add to this list, I guess. English not my main language, sorry for grammar issues. No worries, it's all good. So we'll just exit out early if we've already hit this player with this explosion. And otherwise, we'll add it to the list. And that seems good. Okay, so now we need to attach this to our bomb. And we'll need to make a different script, because I want the explosion to play out differently. But we can at least test it as is right now. So instead of just a regular explosion, we need to put a stun explosion on this. And that should work now, I think. We'll see. Games are so fun. I was doing it for like 4 to 5 months. I had to quit. Yeah, it can be rough. I mean, it's very fun, especially in the beginning, but that's how it goes sometimes, unfortunately. For better or worse, I eat this stuff up, so still going at it. Yeah, so that explosion needs to be way bigger. Okay, it looks like it didn't hit me. Interesting. Or it didn't, like, push me very far, maybe? Let's try again here. Oh, you know what, actually, on top of that... Ooh. Like the music? Thanks. I didn't have anything to do with this. This is from the game Pizza Tower. But it is a frequent go-to for my game dev streams, because it's jamming. Oh, I know what happened. The explosion doesn't have a collision on it at all. Yep. Mesh collision. Why did I not just type the whole thing? Why am I... Oh, I'm in this... There we go. Alright, let me make sure that actually did a good collision box on that and didn't just make up some nonsense. It's not terribly reassuring. Oh, yes. There, no, that's not right. Oh, but also it should be a trigger. I think... This is a problem. I think it's going to, like... The center of it will still kind of is getting hit by it. Which is not what I want. Well, I can edit the collision box, right? Or wait, can I? Huh, I thought I could. Yeah, that line is definitely telling me that it's like going across. Shoot. I could go back into Blender. Actually, I haven't even closed Blender. I think I can add collision in there, and that might solve my problem here. Unity, Mesh, Collider, Torus. I feel like this answer is incorrect, but it's also from like a ton of it's from 2016, so let's not. I feel like I need to just I really shouldn't show you guys Straylight, but I will point out that in my game, Shreya, there are rings in it that you can go through. We solved this problem already, I guess is my point. It's... I'm also confused as to why I can't make it a trigger collider if it's not convex. But maybe I'm missing something here, I don't know. Well, I'll get that figured out in a second. How long have I been developing games? So like, I mean, this on stream I guess is just kind of casual or whatever, but like, I've been doing it off and on like since I was like a teenager, I guess, but as far as like actually seriously developing games, I mean, that's not what this is, but I am working on other projects that are like actual things I'm trying to release and sell and stuff. And Stray Light, the game I just mentioned, is like our first like big release. That took about 5 years, but even before that, I was kind of working on other projects for about 5 years before that. It's just most of them went nowhere or became like simple like iPhone apps that never got released or anything like that. Or sorry, like didn't see any success, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Oh, something's really bad. Oh, I just did that glitch again. Darn it. Something's messed up. So, there's multiple answers to that question. I guess you could say about 10 years for like actually seriously trying to make games, but definitely been dabbling in it a lot longer than that. Though very much off and on. Like when I was in school and stuff, it was very much like, you know, when I felt like it. Nice, thanks. Something is going wrong here, and I'm not sure what. Does my rigid body need to be elsewhere? That might be the problem, actually. So I'm on the default layer. Actually, all this stuff should be on the default layer. Okay, that's good. What is going on here? It could be the rigid body. Let me copy the component here and paste it down here and see if that fixes my problem. It's kind of bad having the rigid body down here because then everything else is going to move without that. I guess, I don't know. Oh no, the explosion script needs to be on the thing with the collider. That's what's going on. Although I'm not sure. Oh yeah, no, it does it by reference, not. Okay, cool, we're good. I wasn't sure if that affected the growth of the explosion or not, but I forgot how my own game works. God. Maybe need to crank that sensitivity down a little bit. Come on. Hey, we ragdolled, except I think the math was all wrong because we went totally not the right direction. Oh no, we just didn't get pushed very much. Okay, well, that's a simple fix. Have a parameter for this already, just gotta crank that up. Also, might be better to stun them for a little bit longer than like a second. Try 3 seconds. And then that did like nothing, so I say we just crank it up 50. You know what? I can edit these in game. I don't know why I closed everything. Okay. And just realized these bombs look like pumpkins. I need to change that. Okay, well it actually pushed me that time. That's about the duration I'm looking for. Alright. Times 100. Let's go. It's still barely doing anything to me. I think it's also pushing me the wrong way because I'm coming towards it. Oh, I don't know if that updates the resource. Crud, I might need to rebuild each time. That kind of stinks. Because it's coming from the prefab and not a direct object. I might not know what I'm talking about here. Nothing changes? Yeah, it's kind of the same thing. There we go. Yeah, it's because it's on the prefab. It is going backwards, so I have to change the equation here. I don't need this debug info any longer. Unless, of course, I want to suck the player into the explosion. Use that for a black hole bomb or something. But I'll try not to just completely steal all my ideas directly from Bomberman. I think that still could be stronger. I'm gonna say like 4 times stronger. And see what that looks like. Must want to set the default bomb to like the stun bomb while I'm testing this, just because I keep having to press the button. There we go. Okay, that might be a little strong. Call me crazy. Yeah, that was fun. Didn't randomly break any of my other bombs, right? Ooh, I should test the other thing. Hold on. Okay, so we got this bomb, right? Oh, you guys ready for a jam? That should not set those off. Yes! Alright, cool. Because I turned chain reactions off for that type of bomb. That's fun, lol, yes. Certainly needs some more tuning there, but it was fun. I go again, wee! Okay, so I think probably half. Maybe like, I don't know, maybe half of that'll be fine. We'll see. Either way, now I need to work on the actual explosion part of this, so we need a new script for that. Bomb scripts. Stun bomb. This will inherit from bomb. And then we want to override, oh, no, it's, protected. Yeah, so handle explosion. I need to look at the base one. Honestly, I think I could just steal most of this code. Plagiarism is a bunny goon. I stole from myself. What's up, Epio? What's happening when we broke a block? Oh, so some of the blocks have power-ups in them. I don't really have graphics for them right now, so it's just like red and black, and then there's like a brick texture on the other one. But picking those up will give you either a larger explosion for the red ones, more bombs that you can lay at once. Laughing about stealing code. And then there's also remote bombs. So instead of having it like go on a timer and go off, you can like control when they explode. I actually have that like a little too complicated in the editor right now, because you can set it up. Like, you can set what's in a block, whether it's like nothing or all of the other options there, but you can also set like a probability as to whether or not it's going to spawn. Yeah, this game is basically like a 3D Bomberman, which there are 3D Bombermans out there if you didn't know that. It's a weirdly short-lived thing. I think there's a Bomberman game coming out next month, or hopefully it's coming out next month. And even that one's 2D. They just kind of stopped doing it after, like, the N64 era. Which is a shame, because those games actually kind of slap. But that's why I'm making this. Tyler, I don't know who that is. Glacial made a 3D one? I'm gonna type that name in. And play... Wait, oh, is that the, God, the one that was on Ouya? Is that what you're talking about? Bombernauts. Somebody already made my game I'm making. Alright, I'm out. Stream done forever. I give up. I'm just kidding. Yep, that is, But, does his game have a level editor, online play, and a campaign mode that's totally not implemented yet? Oh, I hated The End Is Nigh. Fuck that game. No, I'm kidding. I actually didn't like the game, but yeah, no, okay, he's that guy though. Gotcha. I like his other work. I should say that before I just spit all over one game. Ooh. Oh, wait a second. I have these as parameters already. I kind of don't need a separate script for this. Yeah, you know what? We're not gonna do that, because I still want it to go outward. I just need to go out faster and more. Oh yeah, Meat Boy is a god tier video game. Wait, no, but I don't want it to increase in the Y radius. Oh crap. Yeah, no, I need to. Back to the stun bomb class. Alright, I need to make just these two things, I guess, protected. I mean, we'll definitely need to end up doing stuff to that later. Why are you mad? What? I just made it protected. Huh? Whatever, man. Oh, it hasn't updated. That's why. That's why it's mad. Alright, that should compile. I did finish The End Is Nigh, though. I think I still have the VOD from that somewhere. Okay, so really we just need to lock the Y scale, and I think that's all I really wanted to do. The rest I can control with the parameters here. What happens if you have two scripts that are, like, inherited from the same script? It doesn't care at all. Nice. I'm sure I can't do this, right? Yeah. But can I do this? I can't do that. Wait, why can't I do that? Come on. Come on. Wait, no, wrong bomb mesh. I want this one. Why did I name it the same thing? Oh, I didn't. Okay, yeah. Base explosion end size. We need this to be, we'll say 4 times bigger. Wait, math. No, 3 times. And then increase rate, double it. There goes the fuse mesh, there goes the remote mesh. Bomb number doesn't matter, that doesn't matter. Photon view, do need that. And rigid body, here? Okay, that has a rigid body, that works. Alright. Is this any good? Errors. The hell just happened? Oh! I forgot to remove the other script. It's like, what the heck, man? There's 2 things messing with my, stuff simultaneously. Still no. What the hell? What is no? Well, that was cool. It needs to be faster, though. Parent bomb. Bomb mesh. Oh, I broke a reference to this. Okay. Yeah. Yep. That would do it. Bomb stun. Stun bomb. Anything else? This one? Is this different? Okay, I know it's the same one. Your same issue. Cool. I think it might be a little too big. But also I want it to go faster. Oh wait, I did that backwards. No wait, no I didn't. Screw it. I feel like it might be too big, but I need to see it to make sure. Oh, wrong bomb. That will kill me. That's pretty good. That's actually, that seems about what I was looking for. I think it's because it was slow. God. Maybe I should... Yeah, we need to crank that strength down a little bit. It's like, it's pretty much a death sentence if it hits you. It's not... That's not good. I did this to myself, but I hate how all over the place these, parameters are. Yeah, I was gonna say, that's the thing I gotta test now, is can I actually jump over it? Because if I can't, that's a huge problem. Actually, the dual level probably would be better to test this in, because I won't go flying off the cliff every time I die, or every time I get hit. I did that way too early. Wait, what am I doing? I can make a remote bomb version. Wait, I haven't tested that at all. Remote bombs, now that I've added, like, alternate bomb types. Okay, now I can, like, time exactly when it happens. Looks good so far. No, I got hit. Yeah, no, that mesh is messed up. It's meshed up, even, if you will. Dang. Although, because of the angle, it actually didn't really affect me that much. I mean, I guess this might be too weak. Nah, I don't know. I feel like... Now, granted, if my level had, like, walls and stuff, it wouldn't happen that way. But... yeah, I guess one thing, too, that I'd probably want to do in the long run is, like, dynamically enable or disable, or not dynamically, but, like, as the room host, enable or disable certain bomb types. I'm gonna write that down on my feature list. Oh, it needs to be a concave collider. Going to sleep? Liked your work? Keep it up, man. Right on, thanks. I'm afraid to inform you that, I'm taking a huge break because I'm going on a trip, but I will be back at this, late September. This is sort of my last game dev stream for a good while. But thanks for popping in, thanks for the follow, and have a good night. I'm certainly not done with this project. Rest assured. And thanks for the kind words, by the way. Appreciate it. Okay, so we got the right amount of knockback, I think, now. Duration seems good. Thanks, I should, hopefully. Should be a fun time. Oh yeah, so I guess I don't want it to be convex, but I think I'm not gonna be able to collide with it now. So yeah, I don't know. Guess I'll see. Will this ragdoll me? Non-convex mesh collider with non-kinematic rigid body is no longer supported. If you want to use one, yeah, maybe we don't need that rigid body. Hold on. First, I'm gonna leave things this way and commit the code. Oops. Wrong scene. Added stun bomb. Explosion mesh currently broken. Alright. Now let's see if we can fix this. So, get rid of... Wait, oh, what does this mean anyway? Hello? Shit. Damn it, I forget what this means. I think we need the rigid body to, like, make it do whatever. Yeah, you know what? I think I could just make it kinematic, though. Because I think that just freezes it on everything. It's like it's static. So that might just solve our problem. Or it might cause more problems. I'm not really sure. Okay, that's promising. I'm glad that didn't kill me, so I can actually test out the rest of this. It's disorienting as hell, by the way. Okay, I think I did it? No, that still hit me. Oh, wait. This is convex again. What the heck, man? I guess I didn't set that off. This is weirdly hard to test. By the way. Oh my god, what? My mouse is like slightly moving somehow. Sorry. Sorry for the random shakes. Oh, well, okay, maybe I didn't do it. I gotta... Oh? Oh, okay. Well... It tells me I can only use it with those, but it just worked. So what data did it give me back? What? But yeah, that solved our problem. Oh yeah, okay, it's probably returned like 0 or something. Because that was not the right direction. Okay, so maybe closest point isn't the best thing to use. This drives me nuts. There we go. Closest point on bounds. Okay, I'm gonna Google this. I'm sure someone's got a solution to this. It's a documentation issue because it doesn't mention that it doesn't work. Yeah, cool. How do I fix this though? No, the answer is not make it convex. You bastard. Find the closest point of a concave mesh collider to an object. How about this? Unity. Find center of collision. Collision.context. Dude, that's the second time it's been brought up, but it doesn't... It's not a thing. I think. Yeah, what? Oh. Get contacts. No? What? What the fuck, man? It's this code sample in the official Unity documentation. Wait, hold on. One second. 2021.3. This page is still here, okay, in the version we're using. I don't know why I'm on such an old version, but that's neither here nor there. Oh my god. Wait. Oh no. Oh, because we're doing get trigger or on trigger enter. Ah. Unity. Mirror Collider. Get contacts. It'll get contact points from a trigger. Yes. No, it's closest point, you son of a bitch! Ah! Hate that. Hate that so much. Oh, if I have it kinematic, but I set is trigger to false, I can do on collision. Okay. This really sucks though, because now I need to like have a separate listener just for this dumbass bomb. Wait. What the heck? Something's really wrong here. Like, we're already in that state, I think. Oh, this song has lyrics, I think. Okay, handle explosion collision. It only happens through on trigger enter. How? But how? What? What? Just realized some bugs that I just logged. I can use physics.compute penetration to manually check for 2 colliders, though. Holy fucking hell. That has like 7,000 goddamn parameters on it. Why is this so fucking difficult? This is ridiculous. Oh, there you go. There's the lyrics. Pizza Mayhem with lyrics. I don't think that's actually in the game. I mean, the song is, but... Ah, man. So, triggers are only supported by convex colliders, but somehow on-trigger enter is firing off here. Because we're getting... it's happening. God. Act like a trigger and get contact points like this. How long ago was this answer? 2015. Yeah, I mean, that might just be, like, patched out. Good. What is overlap results? I'm missing context in this thread. Yeah, anyway, the answer on that thread was still, like, use closest point, which I can't fucking do. There's no physics 3D, it's just physics. That's not the right parameters, is it? Oh, wait, we already have an on-collision enter? Oh, look at that. And it does nothing. What the fuck? Why do I even have that? It's... Collider we hit. That may or may not tell me anything useful, we'll see. What compiler errors? What are you talking about? Oh. Yeah, we did that. Collision with Taurus, okay. So interesting. Hey, Electrify Ocean, thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. I hate that I'm like duplicating code here essentially, but interesting game. Thanks. I need like an alternate implementation of this now because I need... Shoot, this kind of sucks. Man, it's weirdly complicated. That's nothing about coding, so I just like watching it. Right on, well, that's totally cool. I think a lot of people that are here right now don't really have any coding skills. Alright, so let's, oh, hold on, sorry, we're stuck in the land of do-to-dos. What's this level? Oh, this is like every song. I think we're maybe at the end of the, Oh no, there's more stuff here. This is a mix of all the levels though, so we're kinda... I'm gonna skip to the unused tracks. How long have I been working on the game? Pretty much the whole year, just off and on. The thing is, I usually only do it once a week, and also I have skipped the last 2 weeks, which is really bad. But you know, we're getting there. I want to have like a pretty solid beta out by like the end of the year. So I'll probably end up cranking up the dev streams when I get back from my trip. Which... This is a song. Man, I don't know. Maybe I should switch, yeah, we're gonna switch soundtracks really quick. It's getting weird. We're in the, like, unused, song section of the Pizza Tower game. There we go. Switch to some relaxing tunic. Okay, the cool thing is, I can handle this now. I have no idea how that was getting picked up. And I guess it still is. It is simultaneously setting off a on trigger enter and also an on collision enter, which is really confusing. So we'll need to handle like not doubling down on these guys, but that's okay. Oh, actually, no, this will be fine. So we'll just leave this empty. And then I need to go update my other explosion implementations. Yeah. Don't need that. Oh, which means we also need to reference the Unity engine. And then for our stun, we'll want to override both. but in this one we just want to do nothing. Oh. This should be a collision. Collision dot points. No. No, there's supposed to be points here. What the heck? Oh, contacts. All right, there we go. I got scared for a second. Okay, so what I need to do... Contact points generated by the physics engine. You should avoid using this as it produces memory garbage. Use get contact or get contacts instead. Fair enough. I think we'll just blindly take the center one. And then... Oh, yeah, I don't care about the normal. Give me the point, and I think that's all I need. It's my first game if I made others. I have made... Here, let me give you... Actually... I just had my first, like, real release earlier on in the year, in January. That I made with a team of 5 people, including myself. And really it was just like 2 coders, and then we got our artists, level designer, writer, voice actor, etc., and then our musician. So that was like the entire team. This little VR game called Straylight. What? Hold on a second, my commands. Yeah, no, I typed it in right. What the heck? Well, that's fun. Here, let me just give you the Steam link directly. But yeah, it's a game we ported to not just Steam, but basically any shop with a headset. And let me tell you, it was something. That's sick. Thanks. Unfortunately, while it has been well received, it's not exactly like making me a ton of money. In fact, I spent way more money on it than we've made off of it so far. Which is not me saying any sort of thing, but just it's a situation, you know, is what it is. Live and learn. But that team. Some of us are working on a next project. Which is gonna be a lot different. I don't think we're gonna stick with VR next time. But yeah, no, I've been like dabbling in game design like a lot. In fact, I've kind of been making games since I was a teenager, but like most of those projects went nowhere. I'd say in the last like 10 years or so is when I've been like seriously trying to like make something. Surely it took us 5 years to make, which is insane to think about. But part of that was, you know, in the middle of it we had a pandemic, and even beyond that there was still a lot of just like learning experiences, like just like we made it in Unity, but like porting it to all the different consoles, even though we could just click a button and say, you know, build to PlayStation or build to, you know, Oculus, it was still really very much not that simple. So wait, I typed the wrong thing. So we want collision dot points or get contact 0 dot point. Copy this, put that there. Yeah, you know, just all sort of stuff. Teenager game development looks interesting, but really difficult. Yeah, it's fun. It looks cool. May try it out sometime. Well, thanks. Yeah. I also have, does this link my page? Nope, that's not the right command. Maybe itch? There we go. Yeah, this is, oh god, what is this, the 3rd game I've worked on stream? I guess that's technically true. But yeah, I have an itch.io page of everything I've worked on stream. This is all just a lot more casual and just, I don't want to say for fun. Like, I'm making this game to teach myself netcode stuff. And yeah, other stuff I've also kind of learned techniques through it, but, or just through working on it, but definitely not like, yeah, I'm putting these games out there for free. They're all open source as well, so like, yeah. It's not like I'm planning to make a ton of money off of these. But you know, just a passion of mine. Just, it's fun making games. Plus all these projects, you know, they don't look as good as Straylight does because it's just, yeah, it's something I like doing, and yeah, I don't know. It's fun stuff to stream. Sometimes I'm stuck on like the weirdest random physics problem like I am right now, and it's a little less pleasant, but you know what, we're gonna get there. I think we're actually, we might be there. I might have figured this out. Although there is still one weird thing about this, and oh, yeah, don't pass this in. Oh, collider. Just gonna clean this up, because why not? Yeah, I don't love the fact that these, like, I don't know. I'm basically duplicating my code here, but I don't know what else I'd do. Well, you know what? No. Yeah, no, it has to be that way. It just makes me nervous because if I need to alter this, like, flow of logic, I need to do it in two places, and they are right next to each other, but there's still a chance I could forget. Alright, did this work? For context, what I'm trying to do right now is, so I've been adding, like, different types of bombs you can use in this game, so this is basically like a Bomberman clone. And I'm trying to add a bomb that just, like, stuns the players it hits, which has worked, but I have it exploding slightly differently, so all the other bombs, they just explode in, like, a radius. This one I want it to come out as sort of like a Nova attack, like a donut-shaped ring. And that works, but I couldn't get it to work where, like, the center of it wasn't also something you collide with. Okay, so that didn't stun me. Okay, that pushed me in the right direction. I think we got it. I think we actually got it. Let me hit it in a really strange angle here. Alright, that's technically correct. I was on top of it when I got hit, so... Yes! Oh, yes! We did it! A little bit jank, not the worst thing in the world. But, oh, wait, okay, I suspect that there's actually a problem with this bomb. And it's the thing I noticed earlier, where ragdoll logic is handled per client. But this is actually going to be even worse than that, because the actual... You know, we'll do this map, why not? I've been doing the same map all night. Not that it really matters, but... Oh, I didn't hit host. Dang it. There we go. Yeah, basically, unless... Actually, I'm not sure which way this works. Does this work? Oh. No, wait, I gotta try it in the other direction there, because that was the host. The host handles whether or not players get hit by bombs, and that's just like a balance thing, or not balance, but like consistency thing. So I think this won't work. but I'd love to be proven wrong. Oh, yeah, no, that worked. Okay. Shockingly, this somehow works. We can both get hit by it. Yeah. Cool. Oh, this is gonna be great. So, because these go off in sequence, you can kind of just knock the other player around. That's awesome. Unintended side effect. I really want to redo the visuals of this bomb, because this... nothing about this says stun to me. If anything, it says pumpkin. And, you know, it's not exactly... maybe like purple or something, I don't know. I'm trying to thread myself through the little hole. I think I'm too thick for that. But in theory, that should totally work. Oh, shoot. Well, that's gonna be game over. Cool. Well, great. I don't have a bug then, actually. That's wild. I mean, I do have other bugs that we've listed, but... oh yeah, I want to get different sound effects for different bombs. But I don't feel like popping open Fmod and going to hunt down some sound effects for each of these. And then wiring everything up. But I wrote it down in my feature list, so that's fine. We'll get to that eventually. You don't have a plan for your game, it's never going to go the way you'd planned. That is true. Incidentally, that doesn't mean it's necessarily not worth planning your game. You don't necessarily need to figure out like everything up front, because to some degree, yeah, things will probably change as you go further into it. But having some sort of like pre-plan laid out before you get into it can definitely help guide the design of your game. Otherwise, you're kind of just like making shit up as you go along, and that can cause a lot of problems. I guess not necessarily cause problems, but it can just make for a game that's not necessarily interesting, because I don't know. Unless you get lucky and things happen to align in a way that are fun. But it's definitely also like not a bad practice to do like hackathons and have like game jams and stuff like that where you make a game in a short period of time. That's really more about honing your skills and like hashing out ideas than it is like getting a project that you'd want to fully design out. But yeah. Goon, you should make a game that's interesting. It did. It's called Goon's House of Doom. I know I only made it in like 2 streams, but that Mega Man clone I made, I wouldn't say I'm ashamed of it, but it's the most generic, bland thing. But, I mean, really, I just did that to teach myself Godot, so... nothing lost there. I think I'm gonna mess with that prefab, and then maybe call it a night from there. Yeah. I don't know if this is just a color issue either. I might need to, like, actually full on... find a new texture and stuff, too. Is that good? It's definitely very distinct from the ice bomb. How do you do texture? Are you UV mapping? I'm cheating. There's a website I'm on. Actually, I'll just link it. Why not? Fuck it. There's a bunch of textures that have normal maps, texture, not texture. Fuck. Hold on one sec. displacement maps, roughness maps, like anything you might possibly need. One of the things I downloaded actually had a noise map with it, but I'm not sure how to use that in here. So yeah, I'm using two different... For most of these, I'm just using two different things. So I have a base image that I'm applying, and then I also have a normal map to give it some texture. I just don't know about this in general. Like, I think this is better. This more smooth look to it. That I don't like, because it just feels like... Or maybe I do like that. I don't know, man. Let me see what this looks like in-game. It looks incredibly round. Try giving it an abnormal map? Duh. Too lazy to, but I struggle so hard with it. Yeah, I don't know the first thing. I mean, you guys saw me in Blender earlier tonight. I do not. Oh no! That's such a weird rule. You can't host this room, there's already a room with this name. You went into Blender? I was at dinner? Oh, I did, yeah. I made the model for the explosion on this bomb. Whee! Don't fall! Which is just a torus. It's literally just a torus. Alright, yeah, those are very visually distinct. Alright, I'm good with it. Can I make a character or keep it like that? Yeah, I want to make a character at some point. I put this little thing on the top of the head just for fun. I'm probably gonna make it somewhat generic, and then, like, have just, like, basic customization options. And when I say I'm not really sure. Let me show y'all what happened the last time I modeled, like, an actual character. I think ideally I'd get some help, maybe from someone like Reina, for example. I just have no, like, visual guidance on, like, what to do with it. I would absolutely love some help on this, but yeah. Actually, but nothing. I'd take some models. I just need to sync up. The bud, I guess, is like I need to sync up and be like, hey, here's what I need. But yeah, this is what happens when I model a character in a game. There you have it. There's nothing wrong with that. It's fair. I've seen worse. Wait, hold on. Okay, good. We're on the right scene. Let me show you all the. Wait, what the heck? This might be broken, but I should still be able to die, hopefully. Let me show you the death animation in this game. How do I open doors? Oh, that ain't it. There we go. I forgot how loud that is. I'm sorry. Come on. There you have it. Well, now that's you. It sure is. Couldn't make anything better than that. Fair enough. Anyway, that is why I'm hesitant to make a... I wonder if I still have the Blender files for that. Side note. Just realized that you made your own sounds somehow. Some of them yes, some of them no. I used a couple of like royalty-free sounds. In fact, I think I credited everything, even the things that are CC0, in that game. I haven't made a credit screen on this yet, which I think I need to do because the sound, the volume, or the music I've added here so far, I have the rights to use it, but I have to, like, credit them. Here, let me play the amazing music in this game. I just always have it turned down because, you know, I like to listen to other music while we're... Got that, and then we got, what do we got? Oh, dude, I put 10 songs in here. 10 match songs. That's nutty. It's amazing how much other people's music I can just jam into a game. Shoot, I meant to exit exit match, not do that. Does the level editor have its own song? No, it's just the same song and it restarts too. Amazing. I feel like that doesn't need to happen. Oh, you know what? There's like a different audio manager in those scenes because the menu is like its own thing. Damn it. Anywho. I'm good with the stun bombs now. Purple is a weird color for it, but I don't know what color a stun bomb should be. The yellow Nova feels right. This feels like a song you'd hear on like a Flash game. I can't believe how hard that was to fix, by the way. That's ridiculous. All to make the Elden Beast attack. Or whatever the hell I'm trying to say. That one attack the final boss in Elden Ring did. Where you fucking, like... You just gotta hopscotch over the attack so you don't get hit by, like, 10 million damage. Alright. Well, chat, it's midnight. I'm sad to say that this is going to be the last dev stream for like probably a month. Yeah, actually probably about a month will be when I'm back next time. Rip indeed. In fact, I'm not sure if I'm going to stream at all anymore before I leave for my trip, but I may stream either tomorrow or Tuesday. But if I do, I'm probably going to be playing maybe Doom 2. I feel like we have way too much left on Armored Core. So I'm just going to finish that when I get back. But yeah, that'll do it. Thanks again for all the follows, everybody. And I'll see y'all when I see ya. Let's see if we can find somebody to raid before I go. But yeah, like I said, one closing thought on this. I definitely want to get like a proper beta release out by the end of the year here. So really want to get my nose to the grindstone on this when I get back. But I think we left this in a pretty good state tonight. Added a lot of functionality to the game that honestly probably would make it pretty fun. I feel like balance-wise, there's probably no reason to not just use the normal bombs. Maybe because the Nova is a little bit faster, the stun bomb would be worth it in some cases. But I don't know, it's a toss-up. Anywho, thanks for watching, etc., etc.